The extremity swamping China's property sector is impacting its biggest developer, with Country Garden Holdings Co.'s shares and bonds pounded amid fears that a reportedly failed fundraising trouble may be a harbinger of waning confidence. In today's video, we'll talk about China's biggest developer getting affected by the Evergrande crisis. But before that, make sure you press that red subscribe button along with that tiny bell icon to get updated every time we post new videos. Let's get started. Country Garden is in the limelight due to fears of a contagion effect from the debt extremity at Evergrande and the overall slowing of China's property development sector. Still, a former official at Country Garden says that, unlike Evergrande, the group is much more conservative. Country Garden is one of the countable remaining large, more quality private developers that have been largely unscathed by the liquidity crunch, even as peers like Shimao Group Holdings Ltd. Saw dramatic reversals in their credit ratings. The establishment is viewed as a trendsetter for contagion threat, as unknown situations of stress in the offshore credit market hang to drag good credits down with bad. Since taking the top spot from China Evergrande Group in 2017, Country Garden has remained the nation's largest developer in China by contracted deals. It employs more than 200,000 people. Headquartered in the southern town of Foshan in Guangdong Province, the establishment, like China Evergrande Group, has concentrated in recent times on building housing developments in lower league metropolises. It has reckoned heavily on access to funding in the offshore credit market, like numerous peers that caroused on debt to fuel growth. It has the largest pool of outstanding dollar bonds among China's biggest property enterprises, eliminating defaulters with some $11.7 billion outstanding, Bloomberg collected data showed. Founding chairperson Yang Kwok-kyung transferred his controlling stake to his daughter, Yang Huiyan, in 2005. She's now the establishment's vice chairperson and is the richest woman in China, as per Bloomberg Billionaire Index. With more than 3,000 housing projects located in nearly every area in China, Country Garden's fiscal health has immense profitable and social consequences. Still, it'll oppressively damage formerly fragile investors and homebuyers' confidence, posing pitfalls to China's economy and indeed social stability if Country Garden starts showing signs of stress. According to RAM ratings analyst Karen Ko, the rating agency is presently doing the yearly review on Country Garden and will be publishing the case in the coming month. In the meantime, the rating agency acknowledges that the deceleration and supervisory tightening in the Chinese property market, as well as Evergrande's debt extremity, have affected market confidence and market access for some of the developers there. Investors are inspecting Country Garden's capacity to raise financing from a variety of channels, particularly as the offshore credit market remains effectively closed to utmost developers. It needs to repay or refinance about $1.3 billion in bonds this year, the majority of which are US dollar notes. Country Garden's coming maturity is a $425 million bonds due on Thursday coming week. So that's all for today's video. Let us know your views in the comments section below, and don't forget to like this video before leaving. Thanks for watching.